first batch of summer internship program started, they came in as curious, hesitant beginners in forensic science. And within just 15 days, they have grown into young forensic thinkers. This is exactly why we started with the summer internship program. As Department of Forensic Science, we stand for practical-oriented training for the students.
This 15 days internship was very impressive and very knowledgeable, and we learned many things about instrumental handling, and it was like completely practical. And we learned many things about like viscera samples. These kind of things were very knowledgeable, and we gained many information than our college. The staff was like very friendly, and they were giving many good guidance for us to learn. And in psychology, we have learned about criminal profile, and this kind of thing was very informative.
Our department not only focuses on teaching, but ensuring that every student gets a practical hands-on experience in every aspect and field of forensic science. We deal with all fields of forensic science, starting from the field of crime scene investigation, forensic biology, forensic serology, forensic chemistry and toxicology, digital forensics, question documents and fingerprints.
We started with forensic biology, where interns have undergone training on DNA, blood, etc., which is vital in cases like murder, sexual assault. We moved to toxicology, where narcotic drugs, poisons analyzed, and results were interpreted using advanced chemical as well as instrumental techniques. On third set, we moved to forensic psychology, in which criminal behavior, questioning techniques, etc. were explored by the students. On fourth set, we have moved to question documents and fingerprint, in which document examination and verification is done, along with collecting, recording, matching and identifying of fingerprints. Last, we explored forensic physics and ballistics, in which firearms, explosives, soil, glass, etc. were analyzed. Those evidences were studied thoroughly for producing in a court.
I learned about immunodiffusion, gel electrophoresis, ATR, FTR, poison extraction from viscera, and all the various domains that are in forensic science.
They were taken to Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Hospital, so that they could witness the autopsy, the types of autopsies, and what are the procedures which are followed in forensic pathology. As well as they were taken to the field visit to police station, where they witnessed various processes like FIR and MOB, how the interrogations are conducted, where is the armory, where is the mazhar written, where is malkhanas, and majority of the things which are included or which are the part of forensic science.
The program is structured this way so that every intern explore forensic science from the scene of crime through lab till the journey to court.
Internship was very informative and well organized, and gave me the confidence in working in forensic science in the future.
This program was initiated for providing the students of forensic science a real life experiences of forensic science laboratories, the type of cases which are delivered, so that they could go beyond the classrooms and the laboratories.
Overall, this internship definitely has been a great enriching experience for all of the participants that we've had from across India.
Your journey to the field of forensic science could start right here at Kristu Jayanti, deemed to be University, Bengaluru.